Hey guys, we received this right book about your story. Dad, it's a Father's Day gift. We received this for test and try. Comes in a nice box. So this is a gift box that you can directly give that. So this is the actual gift box. You can wrap this one, and then there are some accessories and also like the book itself. So this is a spiral bounded and thick book cover. So you can see your story, Dad, and you can put a photo here. So you can easily put in a photo for the sleeve here so that it will come here and show up in this window. So this is a place for the photo and then you can write your name, the dad name. There are certain questions and details that you need to fill in. And then once you fill in, then your whole story will be there. So it's very nice, thick or high GSM papers or the dock with this spiral binding. Spiral binding is also a premium quality binding, and each page have their own questions and then space for the answer. You can fill this as a father, and then you can make up the whole story. So this is how your teenage was, childhood was, what accumulation, some photos in between you can put, and then you can make your whole book or the storybook along with this write-up. So it's a very nice concept to, make your own storybook, and then you can share it with your kids. Then you can see like the quality in here. That is like the great quality and overall a nice book. So there are certain accessories that you can put in here, like some felt or you know this key on, and this is either you can use it as a key ring or any other way you want to use this. And note for the dad or the message for the dad. And then there are certain stickers or the smileys. It's like a scrapbook that you can actually use and put in here, and then other things that you can add stuff with the stickers here. So overall, it's a nice kit to make up your whole storybook and share with your kids.